Welcome. From this session, we are entering our new phase and stage of learning and teaching as per the methodology of the Vedic systems to comprehend higher dimensional reality. In popular language, it may be taken as workshop methodology. The Blackboard teaching methodology together with book reading learning setup as such is not sufficient to do needed justice for higher dimensional reality whose comprehension and imbibing is the central core of this domain of knowledge. Vedas are Trai, Rigved, Yajurved, and Samved as pure values. Atharved is the applied values parallel with the pure values in terms of which the reach is to be from pure values to applied values and from applied values to the pure values. Sthapatya Upaved of Atharved is reservoir of the process of reach from pure to applied values and applied values to pure values. As such, mathematics, sciences, and technologies, Vedic mathematics, Vedic sciences, and Vedic technologies are lively within this Sthapatya Upaved domain of Atharved. The very first sukta of Atharved Sahita is Medha Jananan, wisdom enriched intelligence, field emergence, growth, sustenance, or the initiation points of this methodology. Vedic systems accept that the intelligence field created by mind in brain as an organ of a body is initially parallel with the comprehension range of normal eye, Charamachakshu. Then sequentially there happens transition and transformation from physical eye to transcendental eye and step ahead as knowledge eye. Charam Chakshu, Divya Chakshu, and Gyan Chakshu are the sequential attainment. In fact, this is going to be the index of values acquired, values fulfilled within the young minds while being through this course. On the computer screen is the tabulation of distinct but parallel features of these three phases and stages. And step ahead in the flow sheets in the screens. Applied, supplied, available with us or of the Atharved Sahita Medha Jananan Sukta of very first Kanda. It is the very first Sukta. This Sukta is having Atharva as a Rishi, Vachaspati as Devta, and Anushtup as a Chand. This Sukt is a composition of quadruple mantras. The very first mantra is having core formulation Trishapta and Vishwa, while the second mantra is having core formulation Mansa. The third mantra is having core formulations as Tanu, Atarni, and the fourth is Radhishi. We are today just exposing ourselves to the broader formats, sthapatya of these formulations. Trishapta is the formulation whose format is 7 geometries, range of 3 space, 7 versions of hypercube 3 are the format, and it is along this format that this wisdom enrichment process stands initiated. The second mantra is focusing upon Mansa, mind, and it is in terms of mind that we will be comprehending the structures at the center of the solids. It is a seat of Creator, the Supreme. Center of the solid is the setup of hypercube 4, representative regular body of a 4 space presided by Lord Brahma, Creator, the Supreme. And the third mantra is to bring us face to face with as to how this sharir as tan is of transition format features of the transcendence of transcendental values flow from within 4 space, from within heart, and it is this transition and transformation from the spatial order 4 space to solid order 4 space, which is the inherent potentiality of human body, existence within human frame. And the fourth mantra having the core formulation Radhishi, which is of TC value 22, parallel with the 4 folds of hypercube 6, the representative regular body of a 6 space. This way we can have appreciation as to how Atharvaved in its very first sukta is preserving the enrichment process of intelligence as wisdom. For it, we have to be, first of all, through the TC values of these technical terms, and then we have to reach at sthapatya, the geometric formats. And broadly, the formulation Rishi will take us to the transcendental boundary of 6 space. Devta will take us parallel with the process of transcendental boundary component takeoff from the boundary of 6 space, and thereby having dimensionalization of the outer space as 7 space. This Chandas filtering process will take us to as to the way the Jyoti from core of the sun will flow through the rays of the sun, and this as such will amount to having the existence phenomenon within the dimensional frame of 5 solar dimensions, Swara. These features, as these are going to be comprehended more than theoretical concepts, these are the practical exercises. We have to comprehend it. As such, from this session, we shall be entering upon a new phase of learning and teaching of Vedic mathematics of a higher dimensional reality. Conceptually, it requires workshop methodology, as higher dimensional formats models are to be conceptualized, and same require a different approach than that of blackboard teaching and book reading as teaching and learning techniques. Vedic mathematics, sciences and technologies are of the domain of Sthapatya, Upaved of Atharved. The very first kanda of Atharved Samhita is to be the initiation point. As such, in this session, we are just drawing our attention to this text with focus upon core word formulations. The detailed elaborations are the aspects of comprehension to be taken up during the workshop interactions. We are meeting in the workshop, and we shall be having proper exposure for proper comprehension. Thank you very much.